Okay, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to go over 3.1, which is max and mins, which maximum and minimum. I believe we went over it a little bit in 2.8, but we're going to go over it again. So let's begin. Okay, so as you can see, minimum and maximum are functions in Python that can find the minimum or maximum of a list of numbers. So it's pretty self-explanatory. As you can see here, we have three variables, 5, 2, 3, and then you put them in front of minimum, and they would give you the minimum number. Then you put them in maximum, and the function finds the maximum number. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Let's go on to the questions. So 3.1 lesson practice quiz. Question 1 says a blank is a set of commands which can be run by calling it by name. So it would be a function. And question number 2, a blank is the information sent to a function. It would be a parameter. Question 3, consider the following code. X equals random from the import module random. So it will be dot rand int, which stands for integer, from 1 to 100, and the rand int is a function. And which of the following is not a function? It would be random, because rand int would be a function, but it's just a module. So when you put it in front of import. So yeah, that's pretty much it for 3.1. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button.